If you had seen across the profits possible video available on my website, you would understand how easy it is to make back the money that you've invested to start this business process, right? It can happen with sometimes one booking, sometimes 4 to 5 confirmations, sometimes even 7 to 8 confirmations. But the point is, it's not only about the investment that you start to run this business, but you get to run this business for your entire lifetime, free of cost, from the comforts of your house, under your own brand name, where there is no pressure of recurring monthly expense. Do you understand the benefit I'm powering you up with? With just a one-time fee, you get a guidance and support to run this business for your entire lifetime, absolutely without any recurring monthly expenses or pressures that you need to handle. That is why I call this the perfect side income opportunity, or of course a mainstream business, because I run this business only, and I bought myself a luxury apartment. I drive a BMW 1 Series. I bought a new Tata Safari 2024 right now, and I have a Renault Kwid for my family. And all these purchases have been from my proceeds and earnings from the travel business only. I've just started teaching people how to start and function a travel business only from 2024. So if you think the materialistic items that I've bought till now, everything has come from the earnings of my travel business. And you have to understand, the more you are involved, the more you are invested, the more you can earn over a period of time.